Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do hopping activity. The main objective of this activity is that children will learn and practice hopping. The props which we need are paper with numbers from 1 to 4 in this way. Let's start with our home activity. So for that I have shared you one link. Just press on that link and follow the video. This you have to repeat it for 2 times. Let's start with our second warm-up activity, which is high knees. This activity you have to do it for 20 seconds of 2 sets without taking break. So let's start with the high knees activity. So let's start. Ready, steady, go. This you have to do it on your toes and fast for 20 seconds. The first main activity, which is number leaping. So as I've told you before that you have to keep the paper with numbers ready with you. So place the paper with numbers in this way. So you have to stand here and you have to leap sequence wise, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to leap according to the numbers. So let's start. You have to stand here. On my count go. You will take your one foot up, any one leg, left or right. You will take your right leg up and you will leap near the 1. Then you will take your another leg towards the 2, 3 and 4. Again you have to go back and again you have to do it little bit faster. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This you have to do it for 10 times. Again I am showing you. You stand here, one foot up, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to make it more difficult, we are going to hop with our both legs in the same way. So if you stand here, you will take your both legs together and you will jump near the 1, then 2. While doing this, you have to jump on your toes, 3 and 4. Again you will go back, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This you have to do it for 15 times. Start with the second activity, which is straight line leaping. So you have to place one paper 2 steps away from you and you have to leap near the paper. Let's start. Just be careful, you're not supposed to jump on the paper. You'll jump near the paper. Let's start. So you have to leap, take your one foot up, take your right foot up and then leap. Again increase the distance. Again go back and again try to leap near the paper. Again you have to increase the distance of the paper to keep it little bit forward. Again you have to go back and leap near the paper on the same foot. This you have to do it for 5 times. So to make it more difficult, you have to take your both legs together and you have to hop by taking both legs together. Let's start. You have to jump on your toes. Again increase the distance of the paper. Go back. Take your both legs together and jump near the paper. Again increase the distance. Go back and try to jump near the paper. This you have to do it for 8 times. So let's start with the next activity, which is reach up. So for that we need one tape and one piece of paper. You have to mark it on the wall in this way above your ridge. You will stand on one place and you have to hop on the spot and you have to pull the paper by hopping on the spot. So let's start. 1, 2, 3 and jump and pull. This you have to do it for 10 times and keep increasing the height of the mark. You have enjoyed this activity and you have done it properly. So let's start with our pull down activity. So for that I have shared one link with you. Just click on that link and follow the video. So today's Kinder Play at Home challenge is set the timer on for 60 seconds. Take your one foot up and do one leg hopping on the spot in this way for 60 seconds, and if your leg goes down, then the timer stops. Please share your video with us. Thank you.